Welcome back to All Auto Reviews with Withouting, the channel where we break down the newest, most exciting vehicles in the world, from supercars to futuristic campers. And today, we're diving into something that's redefining road luxury: the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome. Imagine the timeless VW DNA merged with high-tech innovation and wrapped in limousine-grade luxury. This isn't your typical camper van. It's a rolling penthouse suite on wheels, and we're here to take you on a full interior and exterior walkthrough of this automotive masterpiece. At first glance, the exterior is a stunner. The two-tone yellow and white finish instantly grabs your attention. It's bold, it's bright, and it screams confidence. Volkswagen has blended retro charm with futuristic sharpness. Chrome accents, aerodynamic LED lighting, and ultra-smooth contours give it that limousine silhouette with a commanding road presence. The vehicle's stretched frame offers the proportions of a luxury bus, but the detailing of a premium SUV. Built on Volkswagen's latest electric platform, it delivers a silent, efficient ride with a range of over 400 miles on a full charge, ideal for long-distance adventures without compromise. Now step inside, and you'll see why this vehicle stands in a class of its own. The living space is wrapped in sunflower yellow and pearl white luxury. Every surface, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the polished wood trims, feels premium. Ambient LED lighting is strategically placed to create a calming, upscale environment no matter the time of day. You'll notice the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, making the space feel open and airy. The seating configuration is versatile. Lounge-style sofas that convert into beds with retractable armrests, touchscreen control panels, and whisper-quiet climate control throughout. The guest room is a standout. Think five-star hotel suite meets high-tech pod. There's a queen-sized bed, soft yellow silk bedding, and brushed aluminum fixtures. It features a built-in vanity, frosted privacy windows, and soft close cabinetry. Everything is designed for comfort, down to the heated floors and smart mirror that doubles as an entertainment screen. Moving on to the kitchen, it's a work of modern design. Volkswagen didn't just throw in a stovetop and call it a day. The kitchen comes equipped with an induction cooktop, convection oven, smart refrigerator, and a barista-grade espresso machine, all seamlessly integrated into pearl white cabinetry with golden accents. The yellow-tinted backsplash glows softly under LED lighting, giving it an elegant yet cheerful atmosphere. There's even a compact breakfast bar with white leather stools, perfect for meals or a morning coffee with a view. Tech-wise, this limousine motorhome is loaded. There's an advanced infotainment system with voice control, 5G connectivity, and satellite-based navigation. The vehicle can even be driven autonomously in select modes, allowing you to relax or work while on the road. Safety is top tier with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a full suite of cameras, and a reinforced chassis built for impact protection. So who's this motorhome for? It's for the luxury traveler, the digital nomad who doesn't want to compromise on space, style, or tech. It's also a brilliant alternative for executives who prefer to travel in motion without flying. Whether you're heading across the country or setting up a mobile office, the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome has the space, the power, and the presence to do it all, without sacrificing comfort or looks. That wraps up today's deep dive on All Auto Reviews with Withouting. If you found this breakdown helpful, or just love the idea of luxurious living on the move, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. What do you think? Does the 2026 VW Limousine Motorhome redefine luxury travel? Or is it a bold idea? That's too far ahead? Let us know below, and we'll see you in the next review.